again from Worldwide Hair Hub. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Elton and I'm the owner of Worldwide Hair Hub. So the reason for this video is I want to just let people know that there are different ways that you can actually wear your system. Some people want to keep it on for 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, and there's some people just remove it every single night. There's no right and wrong way of wearing a system. It's just basically whatever is your comfort level and what works for you, go with it. So for me personally, I kind of remove my system almost every single night, maybe 2 nights, 3 nights at the most. I keep it on, but for the most part, I like to remove it, just be relaxed with it, you know. And that's one of the biggest reasons why when I put on my system, I don't put glue. I only attach my system with tape. So when you do that, basically what you can do is you can remove it every single night and you can reuse the same system and the same tape the next morning. So I'm gonna make another video on how to put it on, reusing the same tape, but this video is gonna be just removing it. So if you're gonna do that, when you remove it, you gotta make sure that you don't use anything like alcohol or C22 to remove the system, because if you use products to remove the system, then what's gonna end up happening is you can't reuse the same tape. Okay, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of feedback and kickback on things like, hey Elton, if you remove it without product, you will damage your system. So yes, that is definitely partially correct. You will, but honestly, if you just do it slow enough, it's not that big of a deal. So all I'm really doing is I'm just kind of like finding where my system begins in the back, and I'm just kind of just peel it off. So you want to start from the back. You can see me just peeling it off, grabbing the sides, and voila, that's it. That's my tape. That's on the system. Here's my system. Just gonna wash off my head, but I can reuse the same system tomorrow with the same tape. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of sticky still. So tomorrow morning, I was just gonna blow dry it, reattach the same system. All right, thanks guys. Thanks for following me. If you haven't followed me, please follow, like, and subscribe. It means a lot. It does mean a lot to me for sure, but I also make these videos so that other hair wearers know that there's a world out there that you can do in different ways when you wear hair. It doesn't have to be a cookie cutter answer. Everybody's unique, so you can wear your hair in the way you want it. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a good evening. Bye.